Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Starfavor desktop speaker stands. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's all put together. It's got this beautiful wood finish. It's basically 4 different parts that just snap together. At the bottom, it's got these foam pads to reduce vibrations and also low frequency loss. The nice thing is you got this hollowed out center here, and that ensures that the bass is not transferred to the desktop, which is important. It goes at a 15-degree slant, so that ensures that the tweeters are directed straight to your ear and you're getting the full-on sound quality. These can hold 3 to 5 inch speakers, up to 10 pounds each. It comes in a set, of course, right here. Overall, I highly recommend that you use these kind of stands for your speakers. Otherwise, your speaker is straight up on the desktop and you've got a lot of loss that's going into that desk rather than to your ears where the sound should be going. Taking a closer look there's what it looks like on the back, and there's what your speaker will look like once it's on the stand. Super high quality, super premium, very aesthetic. Highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.